how to download songs on Spotify without premium. So if you want to download the songs on your Spotify without having the Spotify premium, then the first step is you need to launch the Spotify application. So open up your Spotify application, and once you open, you need to click on your library, which is on the bottom right. And once you're here on the library, go for the plus icon, which is on the upper right, and then you need to add a playlist or create a playlist. Tap on the playlist, and then you need to create a playlist. Give your name and then add something to your playlist. So I've already added a playlist. So once you've added, you need to go for the playlist, which is on the upper left, and it will take you to all of your playlist. So tap on any one of your playlists that you have just created, and once you have the playlist, now you need to simply go for the middle of your screen where you will have the download option. So simply tap on the download, and once you tap on download, your songs will be downloaded on your Spotify. So if you tap on download, it will ask you to take the premium. So without premium, you won't be able to download, but if you have the premium and if you tap on the download option, your songs will be downloaded. So that's it. That's how you can download songs on Spotify. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.